Alright guys, exciting video. I'm very happy and I hope that you will enjoy the video. We're going to talk about 4 different stocks. The first one you see on the screen right now, very briefly, I just want to mention PayPal, something that we'll have to look at a later video. Alright, so real quick, PayPal on track for another earnings beat in second quarter. I think it is very extremely high probability, and I will try to have a video on that later tonight on PayPal and on its earnings. But the other thing I want to talk about is 3 stocks, guys. 3 stocks that I think that people might want to look at, right? So the first one, I mean, you probably already know about it. Ticker symbol TUP, Tupperware. But let's go back real quick. On April, in my Discord, back on April 10, 2023, on my Discord, I said TUP, Tupperware stock plunges on bankruptcy warning. I remember last year analysts calling this one of the best long-term buy stocks. Since posting about it on April 10, 2023, it was knowing that the company itself had said that they were the bankruptcy is on the table. I thought to myself, well, it's I have a responsibility running the Discord, and it's impossible for me to tell someone in my Discord, hey guys, I think Tupperware right now is a stunning buy, because first of all, you never know how much money people are going to pour into a stock that they see that you're bullish on, right? But 5 days later, on April 14, one of our members on the Discord posted this, which was an early warning sign, guys. Hello everyone, by any chance has anyone jumped into TUP? Charts looking like a double bottom at the moment. If it can go back eventually, last time it hit this low, it bounced back to $30 US. This person, just 5 days later after me announcing to my Discord that this company had said that they're facing bankruptcy, right? This was from the company itself that they had said that. 5 days later, the wise member said, guys, watch out. I think basically saying, you know what, this is it. This thing's gonna turn around. On July 25th, one of our other Discord members said, what about TUP? It was trading at $1.40, $1.41 at the time. And I respond back, weren't they going to go bankrupt, right? Because it's not something I was making up. So on July 25th right here, yet another warning in the Discord that, from another member thinking, something's going to happen here. And it did. It's at 325. Guys, this is insane. You know what? Maybe Tupperware will pull off a Hertz or Carvana. Both of those companies had faced bankruptcy, or said they're going to go bankrupt, we're going to do this, we're done. People thought they're wiped out, they're over. They went down, but then later, sometime later, they did explode and go much higher. So I think, yeah, this is very interesting. Because Tupperware is a great company. They just fell behind the trends. But let's see what happens. The other thing that I want to mention in this video, guys, is URGN Pharma Ltd. Just about 30 minutes ago, URGN is the ticker symbol, trading at 12.55. They announced this basically about an hour ago. So it says in development, their UGN 102 in development as the potential first non-surgical therapy for LGIR and NMIBC has met primary endpoints in both phase 3 Atlas and Envision clinical trials. So positive results in phase 3 for this one, and the stock has popped nicely. It's scary, to be honest, up 39%. It's scary, to be honest, because usually this year in 2023, when healthcare stocks will come out with positive phase 3 results or even FDA approvals, they tank. So it's very tricky with the healthcare stocks this year. This one, let's keep an eye on. Here's the pipeline. This is the one that has the news right now that came out. UNG 102, phase 3, everything good. So URGN, it was as soon as the news came out, it actually went into a hold. So there was no chance for people to get in and ride that spike upwards. So when we had the chance to even get into this stock, it had pretty much already done its 39% increase. So yeah. From here on, if somebody wants to get in, I'm not saying that I am in it or that you should buy it. That's your choice. I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm letting you know about this. Maybe you want to check it out. So citing top line data, UroGen said that the Atlas trial, which evaluated UNG 102, has met primary endpoints indicating 55% reduction in the risk of recurrence, progression, or death. I think that's pretty significant. I think it's pretty good. Now, check this out. Let's go over to the airline sector. Airline turbulence. Southwest Airlines and peers fall after cost outlook rattles investors. Bad news, right? Airlines could face downtime from the RTX engine issues. Bad news. Airline stocks trend lower after U.S. airfares drop in June. And to add to that, there was also airline pilot strikes. So a lot of bad news, but yet I am bullish on Frontier. If Frontier doesn't pull it off on August 1st, which is the earnings coming up on August 1st, that's okay for me. I still think that this is a really good hold for a stock that should go higher within the next 6 to 8 months. Just my opinion. I'll explain why, and I'll show you the chart of what it's trading right now. So Frontier Holding Group remains committed to its ambitious expansion strategy, which I like, makes me bullish, aiming to increase capacity by over 20% by end of this year. So that's good. The company is set to gain advantages from its merger with Spirit Airlines. People forgot about that, which includes the recent acquisition of gates and slots in New York City. I think that's also positive. The company is trading just 6 times the 2024 EPS targets. Also, the airline boasts a robust cash position. So they have a really good cash position. They're trading 6 times the 2024 EPS targets. We have the Spirit Airlines merger deal still going through from last time I read, unless I'm wrong, I don't know. They also are going to increase their capacity by over 20% by the end of this year. So within the next 6 to 8 months, I believe that by being in Frontier Airlines from now, that I will stand to gain. Just my opinion. Right now, the stock is trading at $9.24. You're looking at the year-to-date chart. Now, look at this. This is pretty interesting. This is their forward year guidance, basically for the rest of the year and the second half and so on. Initially, Frontier Airlines had guided for 23 to 28% capacity growth this year. For the second quarter, the company expects 10 to 30% pre-tax margin and a 7 to 9% for the full year, which I think points to strong operating margins, guys. Yahoo Finance on July 25th, Frontier Group Holdings, ticker symbol ULCC, earnings expected to grow. What to know ahead of next week's release. All right, with that being said, that's the video. So we talked about Frontier Airlines, which I think is, I'm very bullish on it. August 1st, they have earnings. Hopefully they'll be good. If not, that's okay. Within the next 6 to 8 months, for the reasons I mentioned in this video, I expect the stock to trade higher than 924. So I'm very confident on that. Talked about URGN having the phase 3 positive results. PayPal, we'll talk about that in a separate video, which I think will also do well. And Tupperware, a 325. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that this stock is headed for 20 bucks, let's say? Let me know in the comment section below, because this is very interesting. I think that the hype behind this, some people are saying AMC investors are pumping this Tupperware. I think they got that from an article on Benziga, if I remember right, that mentioned it. But we don't know that. That it is being pumped, it is. I know that for sure. Just how much higher is, I don't know. But this is exciting for many people who love this sort of action, day trading or swing trading real quick, really pumped up stocks like this one. So,
are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.